and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel auto payment in Netflix using the app. Now, the first thing you need to do is download the app from the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, or from the Apple Store for iOS devices. Next, you open up the app. They are going to sign in with your credentials. Now, after signing in, it's going to open up. As you can see, I didn't sign in because the fact is I do not have a subscription. So, but if you did, I'm going to give you the steps to take, and you follow these steps, you should be able to cancel it. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do, like I said, is open up the app. After that, you're going to tap on the menu icon, which is the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen, and then you tap account from the menu, and then you're going to scroll down to membership and billing section, and you're going to see cancel membership. Tap on it, and once you've done that, you're just to confirm that you want to cancel your membership by tapping on confirm. It's as simple as that. Note that after canceling your auto payment, your Netflix subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. You will not be charged again after that. It is as simple as that.